These are some of the leading brands of the world that we cater to, which are like Gap, JCPenney, Bed Bath & Beyond, Walmart, Marks & Spencer. And we have been awarded the best business partner by Lion Fung for the year 2005. All these retailers, global retailers, are now looking at long-term partnership. Earlier they were doing one-off kind of a transaction, but now they are making us their nominated vendors or preferred suppliers, by which all their fresh inquiries are routed through us.
You talked about the benefits for Indian textile industry, like the relatively low cost base and skilled labor base, and a good supportive government for the textile policies. These are for the current present times. What kind of challenges do you see in your bid to see the Indian textile grow to around 100 billion size in the next 4-5 years? What kind of major challenge do you see?
The major challenge is to garner the investment of 32 billion. See, this industry is a capital-intensive industry. If you invest 1 rupee, you get a sale of about 1.25 or 1.5, depending upon the integration one has gone into. So, if from 50 billion market size, approximately, we have to go to 100 billion, we need to garner an investment of 32 billion. And if you look at the history of this industry was having a bad name. In fact, our name was Alok Textile Industries. We had to remove the name textile because we were finding it difficult to raise funds from the banks or from the investors. So whenever I used to go to a bank to take an appointment, and I say I'm calling from Alok Textile, they said, okay, our exposure to textile industry is over, so there's no point meeting you. So that kind of a scene we had seen. But thankfully, because of the removal of the quota, because of the growing income of the masses here, there's a good demand in the textile, and the outlook of the banks, outlook of the government, outlook of the investor community has changed. So today, this garnering of 32 billion, though it's a big task, but seems achievable. And out of this 32 billion, a company like Alok is spending close to $750 million. This is one challenge. Second challenge is to get the technical people, because the textile was traditionally not very remunerative. Not many engineers have gone into this field. They have had a very, areas like IT. We were offering them better incentive, better income. So most of the youngsters have gone towards that. But again, the industry, the income level in this industry is also going up. So hopefully we will be able to attract good talent. And in the meantime, we have our own training centers to train the people. I think this is the two major challenges that India needs to cope up with.
Okay. And then how do you see the FDI, the 100% FDI and in single brand retailing impacting the textile sector as a whole in the country?
In fact, 100% FDI, the government has opened up 100% FDI for textiles also. And to my knowledge, there are some of the European companies looking at India to set up their own plants also to derive the benefit of lower cost of manufacturing. Retailing is a boom, is happening. In fact, the growth in retailing is expected to be about 20%. The present market is about $180 billion and is growing at a rate of 20%. I think all the foreign brands which are coming, though with a single brand, will definitely going to push the textile, will improve the visibility for textile products, and would educate the people about the fashion trends. So it's good for us.